Hi guys, and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, I have shown on how you can create orders in backend. Now, let's get into this video. If you have customers who reach out, message, phone call, email to make booking, you need to create orders manually in backend to manage them. To create orders in backend, you go over Products, Create Order. Select Status for an order, Completed, Processing, Pending Payment, On Hold, Cancelled, Refund, and Fail. You fill in fields: first name, last name, email, phone, company, the first address, the second address, city, and country. Select Product. You can see the insurance amount was displayed here. You select Pickup Location, Drop-off Location, Pickup Date, and Drop-off Date. You can add unlimited items. The number order is 828. You go over Products, Manage Order. You can see the order in the list of order. You click Order Details. Let's go to the Order Actions tab. You can send order details to customer email. The customer will receive an email including order details and a link that customers can pay for this order. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.